Hi everyone, it's Niveen, your local real estate agent with Coldwell Banker, and today I'm going to give you a market update about the first quarter of this year in comparison to the first quarter of last year. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so we can get all the new videos. Now, in this platform, I added the 4 major counties that we have in Southern California. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to change the 5 years to 1 year. And I'm going to leave the monthly update because this allows me to see the statistics over here in a monthly format, right? So the first thing we're going to go through is the sales price. And as you can see, there's median sales price and average sales price. So let me just explain the difference. The median sales price is basically taking the middle of, for example, if we have like a house is sold at 100,000 and a house sold at 1 million, then we take the middle, which is 500,000, right? The second one is the average sales price. So the average is basically taking all the sales in this area and dividing them by the number of sales. So I'm just going to go by the median just to give me the exact middle number of everything. So if you look here at the numbers in March of 2021 of this year in comparison to March of last year, the prices in LA County have increased by 17.4%, Orange County 13.8%, San Bernardino 21.8%, and Riverside 21.3%. Okay. Now let's look at February of this year. When I put the pointer at February of this year, it's not going to change the numbers in here. All right. So we just have to look at the numbers and then compare them to February of last year. So in February of this year, as you can see, in LA County is almost 750, Orange County 825, San Bernardino 415, and Riverside 470. Then we go here in February of last year, the numbers are way less. Same thing with January of last year in comparison to January of this year. All right. So this is in terms of the sales price. Now, let's look at the closed sales. The closed sales are, of course, you can see that they are higher in this year as well, in March of this year, in comparison to March of last year. It went up by 38.5%, almost 35% in Orange County, and 15% in San Bernardino, and 21% in Riverside County. Let's look at February of this year. Look at the numbers over here, 4631 in LA County, Orange County about 2,300 almost, and San Bernardino 1,800, Riverside is 2,800. Let's compare that to February of last year. So again, the numbers of this year is higher. The last thing is January. January, here are the numbers for January, and here are the numbers of January of last year. The only one that was less was the San Bernardino County. So the closed sales, the reason why the closed sales are higher this year because the inventory is pretty low. So we don't have a lot of houses in the market right now. As you know, of course, it's a seller's market. So the numbers of the houses in the market is not enough. So the closed sales are higher. And that means that the days on market, which I will have next year, days on market are way less, and we can see that. So in LA County is more than 33%, which means that the days went down. So the days on market, meaning how many days this property has been on the market. Orange County is more than 46% less, and San Bernardino is less by 65%, and Riverside is less by 65.5%. So again, houses are not staying for too long on the market, and that's because we're going to get to this one. The month supply is pretty low. Okay, so again, inventory is pretty low, and we can see that went down from this March of this year in comparison to March of last year by 40% in LA County, 48% in Orange County, 50% in San Bernardino County, and 62% in Riverside County. And same thing if we take February and January. So bottom line, what does that mean to you as a seller and as a buyer? As a seller, again, it's the best time for you to sell right now. Again, it's a seller's market. So I would highly, highly recommend that you sell right now. If you are looking to move anywhere, now is the best time. And if you are a buyer, again, it is the best time for you to buy. Why? Because the houses are expected to increase again. And I will be recording another video about real estate forecast and what the economists and the real estate specialists are saying about the forecast. What are these speculations about the end of the year and next year as well, all right, in 2022? And you will see, bottom line, that the prices will keep going up. So if you are on the fence of buying right now, again, now is the best time to buy a house. And I know that we may have to go through, writing a few offers here and there and adjusting your offer to get you accepted. But if you give me a call today, I'll be able to help you out. So these are the numbers that I have for you. But there is one more thing that I just wanted to mention, which is the luxury homes. What's happening in the luxury homes real estate market? Now, luxury homes is considered luxury when it's $1.5 million and above. So anything is above $1.5 million, then that's considered a luxury home. Luxury homes in Southern California have increased by more than 63% in demand. So demand has been going up in luxury homes. And the reason why is because when the lockdown happened and the pandemic, no one knew what's going to happen, and no one knew it's going to stay like this for a year or two. So everyone wanted to upgrade their home, and that's why we see all the house upgrades right now happening, and pool building and constructions and interior design. All these kind of industries right now is booming. Again, because everyone is staying home, so they might as well, and there's no vacations, of course, in the summer, so they might as well work on their home. For those that were already in a luxury home, living, for example, in a $2 or $3 million home, they said we might as well also buy a bigger home and live comfortably. So it worked perfect for both buyers. So again, luxury homes is increasing, and the market is doing pretty good right now. The only thing we are facing is the low of the inventory. Inventory is not very high right now, and that's why I highly encourage you, if you are on the fence of selling your home or moving, then this is the best time. You can give me a call at any time. My phone number is 909-631-5301, and I would love to help you. If you haven't watched my video about why the inventory right now, the real estate inventory, housing inventory is low, please watch it. I'll put the link below this video, and you can watch it. Thanks again for watching, and until next video, bye for now.